This is tests that I would never do. I would never do a field sobriety test like this. In California, you have a right not to do these tests. But he doesn't know that. How many officers? They cost anywhere from $6,000 to $10,000 to conduct.
How you doing, sir?
I'm well, how are you?
Good. I'm going to have to ask that if you're going to film, just stay off to the side so you're not interfering with the officers, okay?
Is your body cam on?
Yes, it is.
Okay. How would I know that?
I just told you.
No, I know, but how would I know that visually, other than you telling me?
I just told you my body cam was on.
Visually?
Why, do you have a reason to doubt me?
If I doubted officers, how would I know visually it's on?
Okay.
Is there a light at the top? Is it the red?
Yeah, right there.
Cool, thank you so much.
Yeah. And you're free to film all you want.
I know.
I'm just asking that you just do it from the side so you don't interfere with the officer's investigation. That's all.
How long will this checkpoint be conducted until?
We'll probably wrap up around midnight.
Thank you.
And I'm here if you have any questions. My name's Sergeant Tomeo. I'll answer anything you want to know.
Thank you. Was this published in the media
Yes,
before?
it was.
Where?
You know what? We send it downtown to our media relations office, and then they publish it. They usually put it out to all the news media. Now, what the news media does with it once they get it, I don't know.
Okay.
But it was published.
Have you considered sending it to MrCheckpoint? Have you heard of that?
I'm not sure if they send it to him or not, but yeah, I've heard of him.
I see.
Yeah, he's been out to a few of these.
I see.
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
That's it? That's all the questions? Very easy. Come on. You got to have something covered than that.
Well, let's watch what happens. Like, does that guy know he doesn't have to do a field sobriety test, or is he informed those things?
Yeah, they inform him of everything. There's a checklist that they go through everything with him.
So he goes, you don't have to do this by law, but...
Well, it's on the form, and depending on what the
form?
circumstances are.
Wait, what form?
The form that the officer has that he's reading to the guy. There's certain admonishments that we give him.
Could I see that form?
I'm not sure if we have one. We typically don't give that out. You can request it all you want through. You can make a public information request, and
does it have something like secretive that you wouldn't just feel comfortable like sharing with the public, or?
No, that's just that's our process of releasing stuff.
Or is there anything you'd want to share with the public?
Don't drink and drive.
That's it.
Don't smoke weed and drive. Hurts people.
Is there a lot of those?
You know what? We've seen an increase in the use of cannabis and driving, yes. And that's probably because it's relatively new as far as legalization goes.
Let me ask you this. If a passenger is in one of these cars, do you ask him for do you ask the passengers for their ID?
No.
If an officer for some reason...
What we do with the passengers is we have a chair set up. They're free to wait. They're free to leave. They can do whatever they like.
They're never asked for their ID?
No.
That's good to know.
Yeah. And
is that part of the law? Is that the law, right?
Well, I mean, unless we see a reason to do it, like they got a gun sticking out of their waistband, or they have an open container of alcohol. Unless there's a reason, we give them a chair.
What if they're just being pulled over?
No, we offer them someplace
No,
to
but
sit and wait in case.
Let's say it's not a checkpoint. It's just regularly they get pulled over.
No, it's pretty much the same.
They're
Unless
not
we have a
supposed
reason,
to,
because
basically.
we're stopping the driver.
Have you seen any of those videos circulating around the internet where cops do stuff and then you go, ooh, he shouldn't have done that? Or she shouldn't have done that?
I see all kinds of videos where people shouldn't have done a lot of things they shouldn't have done.
But how come it's so hard to...
Not just officers, it's people. People are people.
Agreed.
Well, sometimes they're surprising.
Right. It's just tough when the ones in your uniform aren't held accountable and then the ones in mine are.
Yeah, well,
But
we got a whole...
that's the challenge.
We got a book that thick that we're held accountable.
what? How thick?
Well, we don't publish them anymore, but it used to be that thick. Was our
It's
manual.
less than 6 months though of learning, right?
It's about 7.
You know,
The
to be
academy?
a barber, a cosmetologist, a chef, all requires more training than to hold the gun, the cuff, the badge you wear.
I don't know, because I'm not a barber, cosmetologist, or what's the other one?
A chef.
A chef.
That's alarming, right?
That I'm not a chef?
No, but you only took 7 months to learn your job.
7, he said.
Well, that's just the academy training, and then there's another
you
then
get
there's
a
another
point,
year
don't you?
then there's another year in the field. So our initial training period is basically 17 to 18 months.
But do you have a gun after 7 months?
Yes. Yes, we do.
You're a rookie with the gun.
Well, you're a probationary officer.
But you still have a gun.
Rookie is
Probationary officer, a lot of
Accounting
people-
also takes longer. So.
okay.
I'm gonna look around. Thank you, sir.
Have a good night.
I'll be back. How you doing?
Bye.
Stressful? What do you mean bye? That was rude. Bye.
What's that?
It's gonna be a lot of killing tonight. You hunkies and you fucking wetbacks. Fuck the wrong nigga. You're gonna die. They're coming. You fuck.
Shit, this is bad.
Hunky. You fucking wetback. You gonna die. Every time you fuck. You gonna die.
Oh,
Fuck you, God.
Shit's right here.
Fuck you, Hockey. And fuck you,
It's
man.
nice they're not, you know.
I've been here 45 years. Fuck. I ain't get shit. But fuck in my ass.
Wow.
You still think you gonna continue?
All right, Jan, so if you go to that side, well,
Oh,
this
the
is not
sergeant
working
said
here.
I could stay here, actually.
Hey, James, we're good right here?
Yeah, I'm media.
Oh, you're not media. You're just a civilian.
No, I'm media.
Are they good here, or are we kicking?
No, we're just asking you to the side.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
he just has to stay here. And I am media. See, look at that.
Okay, very good.
What's your name, sir?
What's your press pass?
What's your name?
That's fine.
What's your name?
It's not my name.
What's your name? Name and badge number? What's his name and badge number? Excuse me?
Dolan.
Huh?
Dolan.
Dolan and
You
your
have
badge
your press pass?
and your badge number?
Do you have your press pass, sir? If you're media,
And your badge number?
36264.
Thank you.
No press pass?
No, I don't have it on
So
me.
you're not media. Okay.
I could be and not have my press pass on me.
That would
Think
make it
about
invalid.
that. You could be an officer and not have your uniform on, be off duty, right?
I don't know why you come out here just to argue. It's silly.
I didn't. You came up to me and told me to move. He said I could stand here.
And I said, okay.
I just asked your name and badge number.
Very good.
You didn't answer.
But then you lied and said you were press.
I am press. Have you heard of MrCheckpoint? No? Well, ask him. He has. I published where all the checkpoints are nationwide.
Nationwide.
Nationwide. I help make these checkpoints more effective. Effective. It's supposed to be preventative, right? Help reduce DUI.
Definitely.
Help deter drunk driving.
Yes.
I reach hundreds of thousands of people on social media to tell people where these checkpoints are. That's publicity, right?
I guess so.
There you go.
budget. Somebody.
Like, what? This is what we're dealing with.